Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. How to draw a cartoon silly monster. This is going to be a fun one. It's a silly monster we're going to be sketching out right now. I'll be having quite a few of these coming soon as well, since the holidays is about to come. And as we know, that's Halloween. And we're going to start with the basic shape right now, the structure. And I'm going to be getting his little mouth there really big right now. Got his 2 feet all set up there. Very loose sketching. This isn't tight. I'm working on his tongue. He's a big mouth. Yes. And deep inside of his mouth there. There we go. There we go. I'm going to shade that in there, far back. And I went around this time to kind of highlight that shape in his back of his mouth there. And now let's work on his eyeballs. And one big one and one small one. There we go. Let's work on his pupil there, really, his eyeball. And shade that in. Yep, the little one. It's neat what you can do with expression. Sometimes you make something very large and really small. It makes them look wackier, not even, and position it off. Same thing with the eyebrows. You can see one's higher and one's square low. More of an expression. Let's give him some hands. And these hands we're going to make really, really pointy. Yes. He likes candy apples, I think, so he can grab them much easier. Alright, that one's doing good. A little bit change that up. But again, remember, whatever I do on the sketching, when I do the final inking, it can still be a little different. You can still modify then. So this isn't always the final. It's just getting your thoughts out. And work on the other hand, same type of sharp edges. Those big claws. Rawr, he can scratch your back if you happen to need some scratching. I think he would do really good. If you're looking for somebody to scratch your back, this is the dude you want. Alright. So we're just about done with that. Let's shade in the eyebrows a little bit. There we go. Alright, a little bit darker with his eyes there. A little bit more around his eyes. Yeah, okay. So let's go a little bit define some of the other areas now since we laid them out. And he'd need teeth. Or he would be gumming monster, not a silly monster. There you go. Alright, let's get some teeth on the bottom there too. As you notice, these teeth I made nice and soft and round. You can make them pointy like his hands, but I chose to make it nice and soft. It's not a right or wrong. And create a little lip there, to give it some dimension, so when you color it in there, you can have some shadows and highlights. His body's almost like the shape of a marshmallow. That just had 2 legs and arms on there. Eyebrow there. Yeah, there's leg. Small body. Yep. Alright, there we go. Get a little darker now, coming back. And as you notice, I'm not always focused to stay in one area. So whatever catches my eye or my thought, I race to that area and I work on it. And like, okay, let's work over here. And like right now, I'm just have to lay down in the background. There's no rhyme or reason. It's just whatever comes to your mind. Like right now, I'm going to do a little bucket. And that we can have some candy in there. I'll make it a jack-o'-lantern. Again, there you go. One small, one big, and shade it in there, and it's a little smile. Alright, there you go. Let's get a little bit of dimension on that. There we go. And some candy there. Lay that in. Some more just random shapes. Sometimes you may want to put some on the bottom. Look like they fell out. Some overlapping. And let's put that one down there. Alright. You can always go online and check for references for this stuff. This I just used that at the top of my head. I wasn't looking at anything. But it's not bad to have reference when you're looking at something. Okay. Just about done with this one. So let's sign it. And that's our first silly monster. I hope you enjoy this one. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.